Hello friends, I'm Dr. Tanushree Bhattacharya. Today I would talk on getting back to your old jeans. Trimming your waistline and getting back to your old favorite jeans is a dream come true for all of us. So, how to go about it? I'm going to share a few ways, very simple yet effective, to reduce the abdominal fat. For tummy trimming, we need to cleanse both types of fats, subcutaneous as well as visceral fat. How? There are three natural ways: heat it, wash it, and use it. How to heat it? You can do it just by picking up the right kind of food in right amount so that it generates more heat inside the body and it elevates the BMR so that subsequently it accelerates your fat burning process. For example, cinnamon. Cinnamon, you can use it in many ways. You can infuse it in your water, in your normal drinking water, in your hot beverages, in your soups and stews and your vegetables, and even you can use it as a mouth freshener throughout the day for your office or your college. Then is protein. Have more of it, but be more selective. You have more of lentils, legumes, your kind of pulses and sprouts, egg whites, and go slow on animal fat. Then pepper, yet another effective item that can elevate the metabolism in the body. You can use any type of pepper, maybe a black pepper, white pepper, jalapeno, or cayenne pepper. Just have little more in quantity. Then is about washing it. Wash the mobilized fat that is circulating in your body through lots of water. Drinking lots of water, plain water, hot beverages, water infused with cinnamon, whole pepper, lemon, ginger, cloves, etc. Infuse it in your herbal tea, black tea, your lemon tea, and soups and stews. But remember to use less of sodium and more of potassium, that is low salt and high in citrus fruits and coconut water. Now about using the fat up. To reduce the waist circumference, people generally resort to ab crunches, pilates, stretching exercises, and other spot reduction techniques. They are good, very effective up to a certain extent, but not sufficient. To reduce the visceral fat, you have to get the work done by your muscles from head to toe. How to do that? Include aerobics in your daily routine. Do walk, brisk walk, run, then jogging, and you can even do kickboxing or dancing. Use up the fat faster and better. Overall, on all of this, you just have to remember to be regular, be sincere, and get a personalized activity plan and diet plan done by a professional so that you can hit the bullseye. All the best for your dream project. Thanks for viewing. See you again. Bye bye.